This is the ultimate lifted truck accessory you've been waiting for. Utilizing one of the largest lift kit manufacturers in the United States, we present to you the Custom Offsets, Custom Offsteps. These steps are made from military-grade aluminum with laser-cut steel trim pieces and are sure to complement your lifted truck. Our marketing team and Rough Country's engineers have spent the last 20 minutes carefully designing this two-tiered personal lift system and fitted fully articulating legs that allow for easy storage when not in use. Finished in a black and milled color scheme, this accessory pairs well with over 98% of wheels on the market. Get yours for just $9.99 or package it with a Rough Country lift to save $100. For all your wheel, tire, suspension, and step ladder needs, visit CustomOffsets.com.